everyone, it's Marky. Let's talk about these Glade plugins. I have these all over my house. They are perfect for bathrooms, in your home, in your office, anywhere that you want to keep smelling nice. I have 4 kids and 3 pets, so these are kind of essential for me. They cause messes. They make things smell not as fresh as I would like, so these are just absolutely the best. They are a scented oil heater, like warmer, so they actually do, when you plug them in, they warm up the little oil in here, and that is what it looks like up close. So I refilled mine, I don't know, probably a couple weeks ago. So they do last quite a while when you refill them. They can last up to 50 days depending on the setting that you choose. So this little top right here spins, and it lets you choose how much scent you want to actually come out and how strong you want it to be. So it's super nice that you can adjust it and choose. Maybe it's too strong, maybe you can't smell it enough. It's really easy to adjust and it works super fast. I plug these in and I can smell them within 5 minutes. So I have loved them so much. The back does adjust right here, the little plug part itself. It will adjust. So if you have horizontal plates, the plug-in plates in your bathroom or something like that, I know that's really common in bathrooms, these will just flip so you can still plug them in perfectly. They're super easy to use. This is just the little oil pod right here, and you just pull that out when it's ready to be refilled, and you take the new one out, you take the little cap off, and you just insert it really quick, and it is good to go. It makes my house smell amazing. It doesn't smell like artificial. They have tons of different options, so you can kind of choose what you want to go with. I've used these for probably years now, 2 to 3 years at least, and this is the only one I will buy. I absolutely love them. They last forever. So if you are wanting to make your home, your office, your bathroom, anywhere just smell a little bit better, I would highly recommend these, and I hope it was helpful. So thank you.